Hello again. Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at some more question words. Today we're looking at who, what and which. We use who to ask about people. For example, who are you going to visit? I'm going to visit my sister. Or, who can speak English? I can. We use what and which to ask about things. For example, what film did you see at the cinema? Or which newspaper do you read, the Times or the Daily Mirror? We normally use what when there are many possible answers. For example, what's her name? It could be Carol, Anne, Christine, Sarah, Susan, all kinds of possible answers. We normally use which when there is a small number of possible answers. For example, which car will you buy? The Fiat or the Ford? Question, who is the President of the United States? What are you having for dinner tonight? Which do you prefer, tea or coffee? Question words in English, they are easy peasy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.